Hey guys, this is Alan from BMW Durham. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to get your SiriusXM ESN number. It's actually really easy to do it, so let me just show you how to do it right now. Okay, so once you're at your home screen, you can press the media button to get into SiriusXM. So this is what it'll look like by default. You'll get into SiriusXM. You'll hit the physical options button, and you'll see this little menu show up here. You'll be able to go to subscribe, and right there is your SiriusXM number. Alright, so if you're having any difficulty trying to find your SiriusXM ESN number so that you can either subscribe or do whatever you need to do with it, that's how you do it. A lot of people have been having difficulty finding it in a BMW because they don't realize they have to press the physical options button. And also just wanted to let you know that SiriusXM provides you with more than 140 channels, and you're also able to use it streaming on the SiriusXM Canada app that you can download, and you will receive a email package from SiriusXM with all your credentials to log in. So if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.